Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome Remote Desktop on both machines. The host must already have remote access enabled. Once connected, make sure the remote window is active on your client. This is the first actionable step. You should check that both screens use compatible scaling and that any OS full screen shortcuts won't conflict. If the remote window is small, resize it now so the interface updates. This initial alignment prevents display glitches later, and sets up the client for full screen activation. Once done, press your browser's full screen shortcut, F11 on Windows, Control-Command-F on Mac OS. This forces the client browser to occupy the entire display. You do this because Chrome Remote Desktop mirrors the browser window, making the browser full screen delivers a true full screen remote view. Make sure the session toolbar is hidden. Click the expand icon if it appears. Also, temporarily disable extensions or OS-level hotkeys that might steal the full screen command, because those can break the full screen transition. To finish, confirm the host's display resolution and scaling match the client. Set both to native or compatible values so the remote image fills the screen. If you still see borders or black bars, open the session menu, toggle display scaling options, then reapply full screen. That usually fixes aspect ratio issues. If full screen still fails, restart the browser, reconnect the session, and reissue the full screen shortcut. One quick troubleshooting tip: disable hardware acceleration in Chrome temporarily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.